Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Retool apps and saved queries regularly. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Retool apps and saved queries regularly, start by logging into your Retool account. Navigate to the app that you want to backup. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the app editor. From the drop-down menu, select the export option. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to save the app as a JSON file. Choose a location on your computer to save this file and click Save. Next, repeat this process for each app that you wish to backup. For saving queries, navigate to the Resources tab in the sidebar. Select the resource associated with the queries you want to backup. Click on the Queries tab within the resource. You will see a list of all the saved queries. Select each query, one at a time. Look for the option to export the query and click on it. Again, save each query as a JSON file in your preferred location. To automate this process, consider using a script or tool that connects to Retool's API. This will allow you to back up your apps and queries at regular intervals. Review your saved files periodically to ensure you have the latest backups. Consider storing backups in a cloud storage service for added security. With these steps, you'll ensure your Retool apps and queries are backed up regularly and safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.